In the vast expanse of the digital realm, where information flows freely and narratives unfold at the speed of light, occasional posts emerge that defy conventional explanation and challenge our understanding of the universe. One such post, circulating on social media platforms, has sparked widespread intrigue and debate, a claim that a UFO was sighted refueling at the sun. The post, accompanied by photos purportedly captured by a vigilant observer, depicts a peculiar object hovering near the sun's surface. Oddly enough, this is now the second time that this object has been seen at our sun. Its shape, reminiscent of a huge planet-like object, hovered in the blazing coronal glow. What sets this sighting apart, however, is the astonishing claim that the object is engaged in a remarkable feat, refueling directly from the sun. At first glance, such a notion may seem preposterous, defying the laws of physics and our understanding of celestial bodies. After all, the sun, a colossal ball of incandescent gas, burns at temperatures exceeding millions of degrees Celsius, emitting intense radiation and solar winds that would seemingly render any spacecraft's approach impossible, let alone refueling. Yet, the mysterious photograph captured by the anonymous observer appears to defy conventional wisdom, presenting a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown. As the post gains traction across social media platforms, theories and speculation abound. Some suggest that the object may be an extraterrestrial craft, harnessing advanced technology to draw energy from the sun's inexhaustible reservoir of power. Such a possibility raises profound questions about the nature of interstellar travel and the capabilities of civilizations beyond our own. Others propose more mundane explanations, invoking natural phenomena or optical illusions to account for the mysterious object's appearance. Nevertheless, the notion of a UFO refueling at the sun captures the imagination and stirs the collective curiosity of humanity. The user said that they were looking for anomalies, and during their search, said that they noticed a significant circular unidentified object near the sun. This event raised curiosity and questions among observers due to its mysterious nature and proximity to such a central celestial body. Intriguingly, there have been multiple instances where recorded footage showcases a luminous spherical entity maneuvering in proximity to the sun. The exhibited object displayed motion that seemed to deviate from the typical patterns observed in natural celestial entities, leading to widespread conjecture regarding its source and characteristics. As an increasing amount of data and observations were gathered, the strange object began to unveil remarkable and perplexing features. Upon observation, a singular user has described the mysterious entity as featuring a substantial tentacle or arm extending directly into the sun. This peculiar statement suggests a profound connection between the mysterious object and the solar presence. Viewers who frequently observe the solar imagery have noted that these unusual objects defy conventional natural interpretations, such as coronal ejections. The observations made by those who saw this mysterious photograph suggest that these unidentified objects exhibit characteristics that cannot be explained using traditional explanations. The entity appeared to sustain a nearness to the solar surface, following a steady and consistent path in its orbit. Furthermore, this mysterious object displayed remarkable resistance to the intense heat and radiation emitted by the sun, prompting compelling inquiries into its characteristics and makeup. In-depth exploration of the mysterious emergence of a circular, unidentified object in close proximity to the sun has spurred the development of multiple scientific hypotheses and theories. In-depth analysis by several experts suggested the potential occurrence of a natural event, speculating on possibilities like a massive coronal mass ejection or a distinctive solar prominence. The interpretations provided were promptly rejected by observers of the image because the object displayed a consistent and precisely controlled path, characteristics that deviate from the usual patterns observed in natural solar occurrences. This dismissal stemmed from the object's ability to maintain a stable and deliberate trajectory, showcasing behaviors that are uncommon in typical solar events. Speculations from another perspective suggested that the unidentified entity could potentially represent an innovative spacecraft dispatched from a remote civilization. The notion sparked doubt among researchers due to the absence of concrete proof supporting the existence of highly intelligent extraterrestrial beings. This skepticism arises from the fact that the existence of advanced life forms beyond Earth is still largely theoretical and not supported. Despite that, the intriguing potential of advanced visitation could not be completely disregarded, igniting a heightened curiosity in the phenomenon. In the annals of UFO sightings, few sightings capture the imagination and intrigue of enthusiasts quite like the Ezekiels Wheel phenomenon, a purported UFO sighting reminiscent of the biblical description found in the Book of Ezekiel. What makes this sighting particularly compelling is its alleged documentation by the Solar Terrestrial Relations Observatory stereo camera, adding a layer of credibility to an already strange encounter. The Book of Ezekiel, part of the Hebrew Bible and the Old Testament of the Christian Bible, recounts the prophet Ezekiel's vision of a celestial chariot, a divine manifestation of God's presence, in the form of a complex and intricate wheel within a wheel. The description, often interpreted metaphorically or symbolically, has also intrigued ufologists who see parallels between Ezekiel's vision and modern UFO sightings. The alleged sighting of a UFO resembling Ezekiel's wheel captured by the stereo camera adds a contemporary twist to this ancient mystery. The stereo mission, launched by NASA in 2006, consists of two spacecraft, Stereo A and Stereo B, positioned in heliocentric orbits to study the Sun and solar phenomena. Equipped with advanced imaging instruments, including coronagraphs and heliospheric imagers, the stereo spacecraft provide valuable data on solar activity and space weather. According to reports circulating within UFO circles, an anomalous object resembling Ezekiel's wheel was purportedly captured by one of the stereo spacecraft's imaging instruments during routine observations of the Sun. The object, described as a luminous and intricate wheel-shaped craft, appeared to maneuver in close proximity to the Sun, defying conventional explanations and prompting speculation about its origin and purpose. Proponents of the extraterrestrial hypothesis argue that the sighting represents compelling evidence of advanced alien technology and spacecraft visiting our solar system. They point to the anomalous behavior of the object, its resemblance to Ezekiel's wheel, and its apparent interaction with solar phenomena as indicators of intelligent design and extraterrestrial origin. Skeptics, on the other hand, offer alternative explanations for the purported sighting, ranging from instrumental artifacts and image processing errors to natural phenomena such as solar flares or coronal mass ejections. They emphasize the need for rigorous scientific analysis and scrutiny before jumping to conclusions about the nature of the observed object. Despite the skepticism surrounding the alleged Ezekiel's wheel sighting, its impact on the UFO community and broader public discourse about extraterrestrial phenomena cannot be overstated. The biblical imagery evoked by the description of the object resonates with religious and cultural beliefs, adding a layer of mystique and intrigue to an already captivating encounter. The purported sighting also raises important questions about the nature of UFO phenomena and their relationship to human spirituality, mythology, and folklore. As of right now, the alleged sighting of a UFO resembling Ezekiel's wheel, captured by the stereo camera, represents a fascinating convergence of ancient myth and modern technology. Whether viewed as evidence of extraterrestrial visitation, a product of human imagination, or a combination of both, the Ezekiel's wheel phenomenon continues to captivate the imagination of ufologists, scholars, and enthusiasts alike. The fascination with the Sun, as a potential point of interest for unidentified flying objects, is not only a subject of speculation among ufologists, but also a theme explored in science fiction and popular culture. From the perspective that UFOs are real and genuine, several hypothetical reasons can be proposed to explain why extraterrestrial visitors might take an interest in Earth's Sun. Firstly, the Sun represents a potent source of energy and resources that could be of value to advanced civilizations traversing the cosmos. Just as humans have sought to harness solar energy for various purposes, extraterrestrial beings with advanced technology may have developed means to tap into the Sun's vast energy reserves for propulsion, sustenance, or other unknown purposes. UFO sightings near the Sun could be indicative of extraterrestrial activity aimed at harvesting or studying solar energy. Secondly, the Sun serves as a gravitational anchor around which planets and celestial bodies orbit. Its gravitational influence extends far beyond the confines of the solar system, shaping the trajectories of comets, asteroids, and interstellar debris. For civilizations capable of interstellar travel, the Sun could serve as a navigational beacon or gravitational waypoint, facilitating travel through space and providing reference points for interstellar navigation. UFO sightings near the Sun may reflect the presence of extraterrestrial spacecraft utilizing the Sun's gravitational field for navigation or transit. Thirdly, the Sun plays a crucial role in the habitability of Earth and other planets within the solar system. Its warmth and light sustain life on Earth, driving weather patterns, photosynthesis, and the global climate system. Advanced civilizations seeking to study or interact with Earth and its inhabitants may recognize the importance of the Sun in supporting life and ecosystems. UFOs observed near the Sun could be engaged in scientific research, environmental monitoring, or even terraforming activities aimed at modifying planetary conditions to support life. Fourthly, the Sun emits powerful bursts of radiation and charged particles in the form of solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and solar wind. These solar phenomena have significant implications for space weather, telecommunications, and technological infrastructure on Earth. Advanced civilizations, with the capability to manipulate or mitigate the effects of solar activity, may be drawn to the Sun as a natural laboratory for studying and harnessing its energetic output. UFO sightings near the Sun could represent extraterrestrial attempts to monitor or manipulate solar phenomena for their own purposes. Fifthly, the Sun occupies a central place in human mythology, spirituality, and cultural symbolism. Throughout history, diverse cultures have worshipped the Sun as a deity, celestial monarch, or cosmic force of creation and destruction. UFO encounters near the Sun could resonate with these cultural narratives, reflecting extraterrestrial interactions with human beliefs, rituals, and cosmologies. The notion of UFOs near the Sun is not a recent phenomenon, but has been reported sporadically over the years by astronomers, amateur skywatchers, and space enthusiasts alike. These sightings, often captured by solar observation spacecraft or satellites like NASA's Solar and Heliospheric Observatory and the Solar Dynamics Observatory, depict anomalous objects traversing the Sun's vicinity, defying conventional explanations and sparking intrigue. One of the most compelling aspects of these sightings is the apparent proximity of the UFOs to the Sun's surface, raising questions about their origin, composition, and purpose. While skeptics may attribute these sightings to natural phenomena or instrumental artifacts, proponents of the extraterrestrial hypothesis argue that the characteristics of these objects defy conventional understanding and suggest intelligent design. The UFOs observed near the Sun exhibit various shapes and behaviors, ranging from luminous orbs and spheres to structured craft, resembling classic depictions of flying saucers or triangular vessels. Some sightings depict objects appearing to interact with the solar corona, exhibiting maneuvers and trajectories that challenge our understanding of conventional propulsion systems and aerodynamics. One particularly intriguing aspect of these sightings is the apparent lack of concern for the Sun's intense radiation and extreme temperatures. While conventional spacecraft would be incinerated or vaporized by the Sun's heat, the UFOs observed near the Sun appear to withstand these conditions effortlessly, suggesting advanced technology beyond our current capabilities. Speculation abounds regarding the origin and motives of these mysterious visitors. Some suggest that they may be probes or reconnaissance craft deployed by extraterrestrial civilizations to study our star and monitor developments in our solar system. Others propose more sinister motives, speculating that these UFOs may be monitoring or manipulating solar activity for unknown purposes. The implications of these sightings are profound, raising questions about humanity's place in the cosmos and the possibility of extraterrestrial contact. If UFOs are indeed visiting our solar system and observing our Sun, what does this say about the nature of interstellar travel and the prevalence of intelligent life in the universe? As the debate rages on, fueled by new sightings and advances in technology, the search for answers continues. Scientists and astronomers around the world are studying these phenomena, analyzing data, and conducting research to unravel the mysteries of UFOs near the Sun. Yet, despite our best efforts, many questions remain unanswered, leaving room for speculation and wonder. As of right now, the sightings of UFOs near the Sun represent a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown, challenging our understanding of the cosmos and inspiring awe and wonder in those who contemplate the mysteries of the universe. Whether viewed as evidence of extraterrestrial visitation or dismissed as natural phenomena, these sightings remind us of the boundless possibilities of the cosmos and the enduring allure of the unknown. In the vast expanse of the universe, the search for planets capable of harboring life has captured the imagination of scientists, astronomers, and enthusiasts alike. While the existence of extraterrestrial life remains speculative, advances in exoplanet research have identified a growing number of celestial bodies with potential habitability. The concept of habitability revolves around a planet's ability to support liquid water, a prerequisite for life as we know it. This criterion is encapsulated in the concept of the habitable zone or Goldilocks zone, an orbital region around a star where conditions are neither too hot nor too cold for liquid water to exist on the planet's surface. Factors such as a planet's distance from its host star, its size, composition, and atmospheric conditions all influence its habitability. One of the most well-known candidates for potential habitability is Proxima Centauri b, an exoplanet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the closest star to the Sun. Located within the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri b has garnered significant attention due to its proximity to Earth and the possibility of liquid water on its surface. However, its status as a potentially habitable world remains speculative, and further observations are needed to confirm its habitability. Another intriguing candidate is TRAPPIST-1e, one of several planets orbiting the ultra-cool dwarf star TRAPPIST-1. TRAPPIST-1e is located within the habitable zone of its star and has a similar size and composition to Earth. Observations suggest that this planet may possess an atmosphere and could potentially harbor liquid water on its surface, making it an enticing target for future studies of exoplanet habitability. Kepler 186f is another exoplanet of interest in the search for habitable worlds. Situated within the habitable zone of its host star, this planet is roughly the size of Earth and orbits a red dwarf star located approximately 500 light-years away. While the precise conditions on Kepler remain uncertain, its discovery has fueled speculation about the prevalence of Earth-like planets in the galaxy and the potential for life beyond our solar system. In addition to these exoplanets, astronomers have identified numerous other candidates for potential habitability, including those orbiting other types of stars such as K-type and G-type stars. Recent advancements in telescope technology and observational techniques have expanded the search for exoplanets beyond our immediate cosmic neighborhood, opening up new possibilities for discovering potentially habitable worlds in distant star systems. While the search for habitable exoplanets continues to yield tantalizing discoveries, it is essential to acknowledge the challenges and limitations inherent in this endeavor. Detecting signs of life on distant planets poses significant technical and observational hurdles, requiring innovative approaches and advanced instrumentation. Furthermore, the concept of habitability is inherently tied to our understanding of life as we know it, which is based on the biology and chemistry observed on Earth. It is entirely possible that life forms could exist in environments vastly different from those found on our planet, challenging traditional notions of habitability and pushing the boundaries of astrobiology. As of right now, the quest to identify planets capable of harboring life represents one of the most compelling and ambitious pursuits in modern astronomy. While the search is still in its infancy, recent discoveries have provided tantalizing glimpses into the diversity of exoplanetary systems and the potential for life beyond Earth. As technology advances and our understanding of the cosmos deepens, the search for habitable exoplanets will continue to drive scientific inquiry and inspire wonder about the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. So, what do you make of this mysterious object near the Sun? Be sure to leave your questions and answers in the comment section below and help us to grow this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.